We've got a new addition to the orphanage, a bit of a treat. It looks like it spent some time outside. Right now what I'm doing is just taking a little bit of cleaner and cleaning the outside of the case, and I'll show you what it has to offer. Now, normally I wouldn't use the Spray 9, which is a type of degreaser, cleaner, disinfectant, but the machine has spent some time outside. There's quite a bit of residue on here, as you can see from the clean rag, just from a few passes. So this is definitely not going to hurt the veneer, which is already starting to come up from the water that was there before. If we can clean it up a little bit, we'll have a good idea of what we can do for restoration and kind of make a plan for the cabinet itself. I'm really excited about the machine that's in here, but first things first. This particular machine came to us from a family that has had it for over 20 years. It actually came with their house, and the person who they bought the house from said that it came with the house and was there when they arrived. So it's been in the same location in North Edmonton for quite some time, but the provenance and the real history, the family history part, is not known at this time. So you can see, even after a few passes with it, we're still getting a little bit of it's getting better that's here. I'm a bit concerned about some of the pitting that's here. There's some worm damage that's there, and we'll keep a very close eye on that. It's not something that we want to have run amok in the shop here, so we will keep an eye on that, but I am pretty sure it's not going to cause an issue. And the way that these were manufactured is there's a solid board that goes all the way around them, and then the veneer was laid over top. The wood, I mean, by today's standards, the wood that was used beneath the veneer is pretty nice already. One of the things that I'm thinking about doing is perhaps preserving this as is, and bringing out the wood that's underneath. It gives you an opportunity to see what's underneath the veneer in these Singer cabinets. So that's kind of interesting, and we'll take a closer look. Let me know what you think about that idea. The other option, of course, is to get some veneer and put a brand new layer on top, and that's where I thought I was headed with it. But this is shaping up with a little bit of cleaning. It's shaping up really nicely. One of the things with this Spray 9 degreaser is a person can get carried away with it. Works really great. I started using it. A friend of mine repairs motorcycles, and this is his go-to cleaner for greasy parts, and it does work great. But if you use it on your machines, it will take the grease off, but it will also take off the finish and the decals. So you want to be careful with where and how much you use it, and where your overspray is as well. So my last step here is just to kind of neutralize and wipe off the degreaser that we're using. I just use some regular water in a soft cloth. Really like the way that this looks. I'm going to take some before and after photos, and you'll just be able to see what that step looks like. But it's coming off clean now, so I'm happy with where that is on the outside, and we'll be able to take a look inside. All right, let's open it up.